You can add your own, see click to click on entry to edit. You can add it. A boy added below wherever you want, you can add it. You can delete this one also. You understand what we are trying to do is like we are adding some menu items, like on click of this button, some menu items just to show to you. And we have discussed in this event action of the event action is nothing, but you have to add some event for that one. You have to add some action. Suppose you might ask what event you will add for text box. Text box you can add, there's some event called change on change. You can perform some appendment data manipulation. You have change here. Where is change? Change is there. Whenever the data gets changed inside this text box, it will validate. You can do some data validations. Okay, suppose the issue is there. Issue must starts only with some letter like that or some. If suppose you are capturing PAN card number. A PAN card will be having some kind of date, some kind of format. Suppose you are actually capturing passport number. Passport will be having some kind of format, in the sense like first two characters will be alphanumeric or alphabetic. After that, everything will be something called the numeric, like that. There is some format, right? So to check those formats on. Now you will use this change on change. Whenever the data gets changed inside this field, you will do some action. Action in the sense you can write a data transform. You can write in your own activity. Like that, you can do your own customized thing and you can check whether the data is correct or not. Got it right? Any questions? Similarly for text box you can write over. Is that? Let's see what happens. If over, I mean this text box checking, you are saying like suppose for example, in the passport only you are saying the data is already stored as a some value, and then you are typing it again, then it will do the action checking. That is what you are trying to say. What I'm trying to say is like, suppose you have added one new section, is there? You are trying to enter some value. After the value is done, you will click on somewhere. It will sleep on next field or you'll click on outside. I don't think on continuing, then it will perform that action. Yeah, you can do okay, and the whole is there. What is meant to hold? If you hold on this issue, it has to perform some action. If you hold on the label, it has to perform some action on over. Generally, what people do is like on over, they will show us my tip. My tip is like some message kind of thing. See if it's over on it now in the banking and all we have the account IDs and all right, you don't really show all the numbers, right? We show the last 4-digit numbers. So that thing, how can we do it like partially hidden and partially? Yeah, that is called a masking. Okay, that is called data masking. We have that. Validation rules will come under CWSA. Okay for that one. There is a concept called access-based attribute control and access-based and role-based attribute control. Like if you are a manager, you can able to see entire account number, or if you are some administrator, you can see entire account number and remaining all operators will be there right like some kind of analyst or some kind of supervisors. Like there will be some operators, like front office of operators, those can only see masked value, like last 4 digits. Okay. That one you can do for that one, you have to. That is all. You will come under security. Okay, that is a data security. You have a. See this one access control policy. Is there right access control policy? This rule you have to create. Access control policy you have to create. Let me open a failure. Inside this access control policy, you have to specify to how many it has to mask. Is a permit access if it is to their writing something. See there is a full mask in the sensor. It will mask up to. It will show the last 4 characters, I think, based on the property. You have to specify which property. If you are using account number, you will specify .account number and you have to choose what type of masking mask. All but last year. Last time is the last 4 digits. Like that you can specify some asking character, what you have to show. You understand everything can be customized okay, but that when you have to create this access control policy, this is not related to our user interface. Okay, this is all security concept. Okay, you will just add account number property here on screen. You will add account number, but in the access control policy will restrict. It will restrict the showing. How to show if you stored on star mark. It will show something like this. Suppose there is an account number. Okay. It will show something like everything. It will be coming as star mark, last 4 digits. It will come like this, I want to like this. Okay, and if you are showing mobile number, how it will show generally mobile number. First digit it will show everything will be star, and last 2 digits it will show right, like this. So everything you can control from here. Okay, security, okay, data security. Okay, that will come under data security, because the banking sun always be very restricted. Right, you cannot show data to everyone. Yeah, okay, got it right. Yeah, similar to this. We have, like controls. We have so many things for drop-downs, everything. There is a specific control event action. You understand it. We are discussing regarding this poor. Actually, this one has. What happened? There is no action set on HOR. Smart tip message, property field value, plain text. Let's say plain text wanted. Submit save. Click on cancel. If you open this one, if you hover, see you are getting test. Okay, like you can write your own description when you are hovering it. You can write like it for issue right. You can write like enter, so on. So description, some kind of text you can write out whenever you hover, whenever your mouse cursor goes on, the text will get displayed. You understand it? Yeah, and again, don't confuse that, every color combination, can be customized. Okay, everything, the button colors, everything can be customized under skin rule. That one will not discuss now. Skin rule will come for CSAC, If you have some time, we can discuss skin rule in the end of a session, okay, like end of the course. But everything we can get customized in Pega like skin previously skin will is. Skin is not used to be that much powerful in Pega. Okay, skin is like very simple. Complications only used to be there, but now in latest versions of Pega, they are using HTML5. If you open the application definition, they are using HTML5 for the background CSS scripts and they are given very powerful skin. Like we can customize each and everything. You can see, it is actually built on HTML rendering, HTML5. Okay, they are using HTML5 for the background and they have developed the skin rule and on everything. Okay, from here you can customize everything, not only dynamically, or you can customize buttons, drop-downs, radio buttons, controls, labels, here. So actually error message must looks like, okay, everything you can customize in skins. Okay, they have given predefined skins, also few skins. They will be given. But if we didn't like that skin, we can create our new skin, or else we can save as that skin and customize that particular skin. Suppose they have given this type of skin like this. This button is blue and under and the remaining or something white. We actually liked everything, this rectangular box only. We need this font only. We need. Everything is nice, but this color must be in something called red color, let's say. You mean it should have blue. We need red color. Then what we can do, we need not create this skin rule again from the starting, already given skin rule will be there. What is applied for this one. We can see what is there and we can customize that particular, only change the color. You understand what I'm saying? Pega has given few skin rules. We can create our own one type of customizations also, if we like. Suppose, if we are thinking this is how our application must looks like, but of a different color. Why we have to create again from the beginning? Like the font, we have to specify the size of a button, we have to specify in pixels, on all. Why we have to customize again everything? You just take the existing one and change the color of this one particular kind of button. That will be sufficient.